Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is 𝗀𝗍𝗃 from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on gold. COMEX gold price after a sharp upside rally till $2,431 level has given a trendline breakdown along with break in its nearby support of $2,315 level indicates short-term trend is bearish. At present, gold price has broken $2,300 level on downside, witnessed a upside pullback but failed to reach its key resistance of $2,363 level. However, any break below $2,315 level, which act as a support, will drag the price further down till $2,253 level in near term. The price indicator is bearish. MCX gold price after making all-time high of 73,958 level has shown some weakness and holding near to its support of 70,800 level. However, any break below 71,000 level can surge the price further down till 70,700 and 70,200 level in near term. On the other hand, key resistance hold at 71,800 level and break above will act as a trend reversal. The price indicator is bearish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.